So guys, so today we're in the highly anticipated Airsoft Cyma Colt 911 World War II one. There's the box. It's made in China. It's a airsoft gun. You have to be 18 and plus. Holds 0.20 grams, and the code, or look it up, Cm.123. Like on the back, electric airsoft gun. So comes with manuals and a target sheet. Comes with this and the hop-up thing. Here, how it looks. Comes with this cleaning rod, or I'm pretty sure Ron Jr. Comes with a speed loader, not loaded, I just loaded it, and it came with some bullets. This one doesn't have a safety lock, which stinks. So here, close in-depth review. So the magazine is right here, and it comes out, and but the one bullet always comes out when you take it out, which stinks. There's the magazine. It holds 30 rounds. Right there, the electric gun series. You just put it in like this, and this has to be facing like this. So it goes in. Yeah, this is how you push it to get it out. Have made plastic grips here. All this is metal. There's the other side. Should be pointing it towards me. This thing does nothing. But this is how you take it. The case out to put the battery in. You click this and that. So, and then just take that off, and there it is. So take the battery out. You put this here, and the thing is, it's going to come flying out. So there it is, and it comes out once you click this lever right here. So to slide it back in, there's I don't think you can see, but you just slide it in like this, and there it's all loaded. So it's a great gun. It's electric, like I said before, and then you just slide it back on like this. That, and then you put that up, and you can put that up if you want. So yeah, there's the gun. It is completely awesome. So it's super thick, I don't think like the real gun, and you always have to press this to shoot, like this. You always have to press it to shoot. So it's supposed to be 200 FPS, but I was like, this is a super weak gun. But for how much was it? Like $60, 58 euros, or maybe no less than that. It's a decent deal. So then full auto, you can go like that. So I think we're gonna shoot some things. So we got this weird thingy. It's not much fun. This weird whatever soldier toy. This Pizza Forte clip, and this Kinder Egg thing. So we'll be doing that next. I think we'll be doing it here. But then actually we're gonna do that second. Oh, I forgot how you reload it. Here's how you reload it. There's a magazine. You put this in. It comes with a speed loader. You just push it in. That happens all the time. That's the only problem. But this is a nice speed loader. Holds 100. This is better quality. This is nice nice mag, all metal. Slide that in there. What the? Oh. What the heck? There, I don't know what happened. So we're going outside and reviewing this. So here, just a test. First, I'll try to hit the yellow thing. Got that? Got that full. Got that thingy. And I got them all. This gun has its strengths and its weaknesses. Mostly, this gun, it's not the strongest, but it's a nice gun for the price, and it hurts pretty bad. That's what I heard, and I got shot with it. But I had a giant jacket on, so it didn't hurt. So there's the Cyma 1, 2, 3 gun, Colt 911. Thanks for watching. Bye. There's all the stuff we got. We're gonna be shooting that. See. Supposed to be wearing safety goggles.